All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the page. I'm rocking with y'all. Y'all rocking with me, and we in the garage. So, finally got my new bracket on. Got everything lined out. I prep everything. When you put this new bracket on and you put it back on the car, you have to prep everything. You got to prep the bolts. You want to make sure everything is lined up. This is your tension bar here, so you want to make sure you got room. Like, you don't want the bolt all the way back here. You want the bolt, when you put it on, to be around right there, so when you pull it back, you can put tension on the power steering belt. So, man, I've been, taking my time doing everything right. So I got this right. Now it's time to put the pulley back on top of there. You got to put the bracket on first before you put the pulley on, because once you put the pulley on, you're not getting to none of these bolts. So, I got all this prep ready to go. I know everything fits. Everything is good. I got to put the pulley back on. I got to put the pulley back on. Let me slide some of this out the way. Them is the spacers. It's the spacer. I need that. Had to go get more bolts and stuff like that. One issue that I did have was, where's that bolt at? One issue that I did have, this bolt, which I just put this bolt in this hole. I don't know if this hole need to be covered up or what, but this bolt goes through here, and then it's supposed to go through the water pump. The water pump is old. It's stripped out to where it wouldn't stay in the water pump. So I had to go get a longer screw with the nut on the back. I got to run it through. It'll go through the opposite side of the water pump. The water pump sends off the motor about that much. It's going to be a beast to try to get it back in, but I have a nut I'm going to put at the end of this that goes through the water pump to where I can tension it and get it where I need to be. So, yeah, it's a whole little process, but this is the tool to take it off. This is the tool that I'm going to have to use to put it back on. And what happens is this screws in right there on top of this. Boom. And then you got to either use a wrench here to tighten it, to push it down, and you got to hold this still. It's opposite on the other one. The other one, to take it off, you move this one and hold this one. To put it on, you got to hold this one and tighten down this one to push it down. It's going to take some time, but you want to hand do that until it gets all the way down and you're good to go. So take your time with this stuff. Get your measurements right. Keep rocking and rolling, y'all.